Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. We're gonna be working on the project $800 E30 today. We're gonna go ahead and pick up the fuel pump today, hopefully, if they have it in stock. And we also did order the master cylinder clutch and the slave cylinder clutch. So today we're gonna try to get busy and hopefully this E30 starts. Hopefully, because I want to drive and see how it feels to drive the E30. All right, guys. So we just got to O'Reilly's. We about to go pick up the fuel pump. Look what's beside me. A Type R. I like Hondas too, so I'm all into the car community. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this fuel pump and hopefully they have it in stock. They say they did. Let's see if they do. All right, guys, so we just bought the fuel pump. It was $146, so me and Thomas gonna divide it because you know we're dividing everything on the E30 project. They didn't have it in stock. They told me they did, but they didn't, so that sucks. But hopefully this fixes the problem and the car don't die no more. So we're just gonna have to see tomorrow. So maybe I'll pick up the vlog tomorrow. Okay, guys, so it's the next day. We just picked up the fuel pump. Sorry if I look a little bit dirty. I just got off of work, but here's the fuel pump. Let me show you how it looks. So here's the fuel pump, guys. Looks pretty good. Looks very professional. Import direct. I'm gonna go ahead and try to install this, and hopefully this is the only problem with the E30, and hopefully it starts today. So let's not waste no time and get to it. All right, guys, so all you gotta do is just take off this back seat and the fuel pump is right there. It's supposed to have some like a little plate in this gasket, but we already took that off. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to replace it already and go get some gas because this thing is on E since it has been leaking, but it hasn't been leaking no more. Oh wait, let me see. Oh, I gotta see what's that. What? Damn. Okay, let me go ahead and replace this and let's see what's going on. Alright, guys, so this is the old fuel pump. It's rusted, looks very old, useless. And here's the new one, all shiny. Hopefully this is the problem. I'm not gonna get my hopes up too much because this car has been sitting for a couple years, so hopefully this is it. If not, oh well, we just keep on buying some new parts, wasting more money on the E30 to get it running. Let's get it. It also came with a couple gaskets, new bolts for the fuel pump, so that's pretty good. I was reading the instructions, gave us a new head gasket for this part, so I think I got everything straight, so let's go ahead and try to install this back. Alright, so we just finished installing the fuel pump, and now I'm gonna go ahead and take that battery out and put the E46 battery, because that battery, I don't know if it's bad or it just needs some charge. I'm gonna take it probably later. I also bought some throttle body cleaner and some gas treatment just in case if I need it. I don't think I'll be using this today. I gotta see when. Well, I just put gas in it, so I just wanted to go a little bit more empty, and then I can put this on and hopefully it cleans out the injectors and everything. So let me go ahead and swap this battery right quick, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it starts. Let's get it. Okay, guys, so the battery is on. I'm about to go ahead and start it, put y'all in the tripod, and hopefully it starts. I'm kind of excited. Let's get to it. It starts. Fuck yes. Guys, I can't believe the car started. I turned it off because it sounds really bad. It sounds really rough. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on again, see if I got lucky or not. If it starts again, I'm gonna be so happy, guys. I do need to get a new car battery, but I'm super happy, guys. Now all I gotta do is wait on the clutch, master cylinder, and the slave cylinder, and I can actually drive this thing. I'll probably go ahead and do an oil change in this video too. It might be another day because it's getting kind of late. I think I'm gonna just have time to clean the throttle body. Guys, let's go ahead and see if it starts again. Hopefully it does. I'm super excited, guys. I can't believe it. All right, guys, let's see if I got lucky. Where's the keys? Right here. Okay, fingers crossed, guys. Here we go. Oh, I don't think I turned the key all the way. Hell yeah, bro. Okay, guys, the car's running really rough. I don't think the AC works. I mean, it is blowing kind of medium air. I might need to add some more Freon because, you know, just to get it more colder. But I was playing with this. I don't know much about E30s, and the engine oil don't light up, so it might be really low on oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off and clean the throttle body, and also do an oil change and swap out the oil filter, and everything should be running good, hopefully. Guys, I'm so happy right now. Guys, this ICV was really dirty. Maybe that's why it was like idling really bad. Not sure if it's the problem, if it'll fix it, but it won't hurt to try. But this, as soon as I sprayed it, a lot of black liquid started coming out. So I cleaned it very good. I took my time. I cleaned it until clear stuff started coming out, and I think I cleaned it as good as I can. I might clean it a little bit more, but I still gotta go clean the other part. So it's going good. Okay, guys, so everything's cleaned up. Now time to start it again, and hopefully it idles a little bit better. If not, guys, comment down below what could else be the problem, and I'll make sure to check that out. Okay, guys, so actually it didn't help it at all. Sorry if the motor's too loud, but I don't know. I know you can hear it. It accelerates and then it goes down and do it again. Comment down below what's the problem if you guys know. Let me go ahead and turn it off. Wow, guys, look at this view. A BMW E46, E46, E30, E92 335i. It's also a different day. We're gonna go ahead and wrap up the vlog today. All we gotta do is an oil change and we'll be done. We bought some Freon, but maybe in the next vlog we'll be putting that on because the AC is just blowing a little bit cold. So this thing does have AC. That's a very good thing. That's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and get this oil change started. Guys, I don't know if you can see the oil filters all the way down there. I'm gonna try to take it from on top, but if I can't, I'm gonna just go under the car and try to take it off, and hopefully it comes out pretty easy. And then just add oil, put the new filter, and the vlog is finished, guys. Let's get it. Guys, the old oil filter is in that little bucket. Now it's time to put the new oil filter in, and it should be done. All we gotta do is add the oil. I did remove the coolant reservoir thingy in order to make it easier on me, so it was easy to take it out. Okay guys, so the oil's changed, everything's changed, but it's still like idling really bad. I don't know what could be the problem. If anybody of you guys know, comment down below so I can check it out. Is it bad gas, maybe the injectors? I don't know. Y'all comment down below. Alright guys, hope y'all enjoyed today's vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and end it right quick. Comment down below if you know what's the problem with the E30, and I'll check that out. Maybe bad gas injectors or something like that. I don't know. But anyways, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and as always, it's been Cervantes Garage. Stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.